So here I am in the untreated wheat plot in the 17 weeks post-sowing part of the innovation site. So here there's some prickly lettuce through here. There's quite a bit of clover. We have some wild oats. There's a lot of capeweed, and there's some decent populations of annual ryegrass as well. So I'm currently squatting here in the Luximax and Voraxor plot of our wheat pre-emergent herbicide trial, and this plot is looking incredibly clean. There is some volunteer wheat, but from an annual ryegrass, brassica weed, capeweed, prickly lettuce and dock point of view, this plot looks very, very clean. Of course, dock isn't on the Voraxor label, capeweed is. There's a number of brassica weeds that are, and with the annual ryegrass, there's some very, very good annual ryegrass suppression that we achieve when we mix Voraxor with Luximax, and that's exactly what we've seen here in this plot. And the reason agronomists would recommend Voraxor and Luximax, and the reason why growers would use Luximax and Voraxor in their wheat IBS, so 500 ml of Luximax, 200 ml of Voraxor, is because we are picking up a broad spectrum of broadleaf weeds and improving the annual ryegrass management. But from a resistance management point of view, we're mixing in two herbicides, a group G in Voraxor and a group T in Luximax, or 14 and 30 respectively, using the new numerical nomenclature that has no documented resistance. So we're controlling annual ryegrass to a level which is equivalent, if not slightly better, to industry standards, but we're also helping prolong the life of some other really valuable tools that we're going to need to rely on in the future. So this is a great tool, no documented resistance to these modes of actions, and hopefully, as you can see, this plot's looking incredibly clean. Here I'm squatting down in the Sakura and Voraxor mix in our wheat pre-emergent herbicide trial, and this mix looks very good. So Sakura, we've got a group K, and we've got Voraxor group G or group 14 using the new nomenclature, and this mix has done an exceptional job on the annual ryegrass. Also, from a broadleaf weed perspective, the Voraxor again has done a really good job on the capeweed, radish, and also the prickly lettuce. So it's done a really good job in this mix